Do it in your copy. This is the page number 90. Page number 90 of your book, and we are going to do these sums in the copy. Class copy. Done, Hardik? Done? Okay. Now start the table of 3 till 15. Okay. Now Jagrati will read the table of 3 till 15. Okay, Jagrati, जहाँ पे 15 आएगा, you have to stop. Start.
3 1 3 3 3 6 6 9 4 5 15.
3 5s are 15. The answer is 3 5s are. Now we can write down in the rough paper. 3 5s are 3. That you have to do in rough page, not in the copy. It is rough work. Okay. So answer will be 5 because this one is already there. 3 is already there. What is left? Only 5. Only 5 is not there, right? So what I will do? I will write down the 5 there, right? Clear? So the answer is 5. 3 5s are 15. So I will take my pen again with me and I will write down 3 5s are 15. Okay? Do it in your copy, everyone. And now you have to do the minus also. Minus also. 15 minus 15, 0. So what I will write down here? Either 0 or cross. So the answer is 5 ice cream each. 5 ice cream each. So I will write down only answer. Answer. You also have to write down. But in your copy, where you have to write down? At the bottom of the question. Right? Where I have write down? Here only. After cross, leave one line. And then write down 5 ice cream. Write down, beta. 5 ice cream. CREAM. 5 ice cream. When you will done, then raise your hand. And it should be in very good writing, okay? It should be in very good writing. Good, Jagrati. Read the second sum of page number 90.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
DISTRIBUTE. Distribute 18 pencils. EPUALLY.
Equally.
AMONG. Amount 6 CHINLDREN. 6 children.
Yes. Distribute 18 pencils equally among 6 children. Okay. So what you have to do is 6 3s are 18. So answer is, raise your finger. What is the answer? Answer is 6 3s are 18. 3. So 3 is the answer. 3 will come up. 18 will come down below the 18. We'll put a line here. Then we will minus both the numbers and the answer will be 0. So we can put here cross or we can write down the 0 also. Okay. So now what we will write down? Answer. We have to write down answer. What is the answer? Answer means 3 pencils. Each children will get 3 pencils only, right? Write down in your copy quickly. Three pencils. Done. Distribute 32 beads equally among 4 necklaces. Okay. 4 necklaces, you know, we have to make 4 necklaces. Okay. हमें 4 necklaces बनाने हैं. How many beads we have? 32 beads. अब हमें 32 बीड्स को इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है 4 नेकलेसेस में. We don't know how many beads will come in one necklace. So mama said you have 32 beads, make 4 necklace. Now you are confused. You don't know how many beads will come in one necklace. एक necklace में कितनी beads आएंगी? Now what you will do? Again you will do division because 32 beads you have and you have to make only 4 necklaces. Okay? So write down the sum number 3 here in your copy. Make a circle over there. Jagrati, don't talk during the class. Now make a sign of division. And now put 32 inside because we have to distribute 32 beads among 4 necklaces. Okay? Done? So what is, first learn what is division. Division is the repeated subtraction. Multiplication is what? Repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. Division is what? Repeated subtraction. एक ही नंबर को जब हम बार बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो हमारे पास क्या आता है? डिवीजन. ये डिवीजन का मेथड है. नाउ हृदयांश will read the table of. Hridyansh, unmute yourself and read the table of 4 till 32.
4 and 4, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 12, 4 for the 16, 4 for the 20, 4 to the 24, 4 7 the 28, 4 8 the 32.
Now what is the answer?
Ma'am,
8. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Now we will subtract both of them. 32 minus 32 is 0. So we can make 0 here or we can put cross here. Is your choice. Now what we will do? We will write down answer here.
Na LACE.
Okay.
CE.
CE.
Necklace.
Necklace.
Number sum number 4 utaro.
है?
And the answer is, we can write down the answer here. Answer is 8 NECALE 8 necklaces. Done. Good. So tell me how many of you have learned the division. किस किस को समझ में आ गया? Just raise hand. It will look like the numbers. Okay? ये sum की तरह ही दिखेगा. So we have to make a circle whenever we are writing the sum number. So now who is going to read the next sum? Pankudi done, Hardik done. Now is Anvisha there? Yes, Anvisha, read the next sum. 4th number. Read the sum.
Distribute 10 balls equally between 2 boys.
Now, very good. We have to distribute 10 balls equally between 2 boys. How many boys are there? Only 2 boys. And how many balls are there? 10 balls. Numbers are more and only 2 boys we have. Only 2 boys. We have to do division again. Okay. So what we will do? We will make a sign of division. We will put 10 inside and 2 outside. Now what we will do? We will read the table of 2 to 10. So who is next? Natik Rawat. Natik Rawat, read the table of 2 till 10. Unmute yourself. Yes. Start a table of 2.
2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10.
So what is the answer?
5.
5. So why 5 will come outside and 10 will come below the number. and we'll do the minus. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. We can put a circle or we can make a 0 here. Now we have to write down the answer here, and the answer 5 balls. 5 balls to one child, okay? Or 5 balls to one boy. Do it in your copy quickly. Do it quickly in your copy, beta. Open your rough copy. I'm going to give you the sums for the home as in a homework. Okay. So write down it in your rough copy quickly. Daksh, write down it in your rough copy. Here, what you have to do? 56 divided by. Now I'm making the sign of this here. Sorry, sign of this. 56 divided by 8. I told you, no, two signs are there. 56 divided by 8. Now the sixth sum is 21 divided by 7. And the seventh sums 64 divided by 8. And the eighth sum 27 divided by 3. Write down quickly in your copy, in rough copy, and do it after the class. Write down quickly, beta. Don't do it right now. अभी नहीं करना है. After the class, okay? Write down quickly in rough copy. 56 divided by 8, 21 divided by 7, 64 divided by 8, 27 divided by 3. Done, beta? Done. Jagrati Singh done. Gaurav done. Manas done. Karsha done. Tanish done. Arshid, Rinjim, Himanshu, Daksh, Tanmay. All they have done. Okay, should I stop sharing? Good. You all have done this sums in your copy, beta? You have written all this in your copy? This is your homework right now. After the class, you have to do it. Okay? आपका सेकंड क्लास होगा. अभी एक और क्लास भी है आपकी. एक और क्लास भी है ना? उस क्लास के बाद कर लेना आप. नो नीड टू बी वरी. अभी के अभी नहीं करो. ये आज का काम है. आपको आज ही करना है. Okay, beta? Yes, what do you want to say? Anvisha, you want to say something? Yes?
Ma'am, today is my birthday.
Okay, say happy birthday to Anvisha, everyone. Clap and sing a song. Unmute yourself. Happy birthday वाला song आइए सब Anvisha के लिए. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Dear Anvisha, happy birthday to you. Clapping. Yes. Okay. So, is there any confusion regarding the sums? Sums को लेके कोई confusion तो नहीं है? ये sums आपको आज ही करने हैं. After the class. जब सारी classes over हो जाएंगी, आराम से बैठ के आप ये homework अपनी class की copy में करेंगे. Do these sums in your classwork copy. Okay. So, bye for today, everyone. It's a bye-bye time. So, bye, everyone.